Yeah. You already know what it is, yo. 6MG, 416. Shout out Duke, shout out Kush, shout out Max. Shout out everybody. D-Lo, D-Mac, Kane, Isaac.
Classics.
Lately I've been trying to find the old me. A lot of niggas claiming that they know me. Painting fake pictures like Adobe. I turn nothing into something, now they know me. Fuck the clock, I just caught the rollie. On the block, I was posted with the homies. Shorty called me so beast. 2-4 on my back like I was Kobe. Masked up and I'm moving like McFoley. I found God now, shorty say I'm holy. Got a bad attitude like I was Molly. I'm in the pain and I'm posted like Ginobili. A lot of niggas out here trying to fool me. Watch your back, that's what mama always told me. Move smart and don't fuck with the police. Young nigga out here, yeah. I do it, I did it, I got it, I get it, I stack it and flip it. This money I get it, this money I get it, divide it and split it.
Left the cages, no more lockdown. Every op better duck down, no more crazies. I'm all about the build up, me and the fam. Goddamn, shit is rough. Miss Toya, missing Max, my vision's black. I'm just trying to get it back. Not blind, ain't deaf, got my mind on my set. The oldest, the only, free my broski. Free my broski. I'm your keeper. Fuck the streets, my love run deeper. The code's black, put me on a soaker. This ain't the end, fuck a friend. This is start from my fucking heart. I know some miss their part, don't disregard. This is shit that hit me hard. I just play with them dish, don't disapart. I'm out here with the fucking. I do it, I get it, I stack it, I flip it. This money, I get it. This money, I get it.
This money, I get it. This money, I get it. I just wanna know if she down and with it. If she down and with it, I gotta keep winning. I'm going all in. And I am not quitting. I remember back in the day when they was dissing. Try to tell me shit, but they didn't listen. Cut the cake with precision.